Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. KBB Alpha here. Today I've got another video review and unboxing for you. This here is the K55 RGB gaming keyboard from Corsair. Now, I know what you're thinking, another Amazon buy. Nah, I actually got this at Target. So if there's a Target wherever you're at, this is on sale for around $49 plus tax, around 53 bucks. I got this for. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing. So that was pretty much it that was inside the box. It's only the keyboard, and it did come with an optional wrist or palm rest here. And as you can see, if you do want this on, it'll just go ahead and hook onto the bottom here via these hooks there. So let's go ahead and give it a brief typing try here. So I've zoomed in the camera a little bit here, and so we're going to do a little typing sound test to see what this sounds like. It's not a mechanical keyboard, so it's not going to have the clicky-clacky sounds that makes. But let's go ahead and just see how loud this is here. And as you can see, it's not plugged in. I just wanted to go ahead and test out the sound of the keys here. And you know, as you can hear, hopefully, it's not too loud. So for comparison purposes, I brought out my own Corsair K63 wireless keyboard, so we can go ahead and compare the sounds here, and hopefully it gets picked up. All right, everybody. So here is my personal gaming keyboard that I use. So let's go ahead and do the typing little sound test here. So, I mean, there is a noticeable difference. Obviously, these are mechanical keys as opposed to the other keyboard here, the K55 keyboard. Let's go ahead and test some other features of this. I've gone ahead and plugged in the keyboard here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side. I really don't use the wrist or palm rest here. So let's go ahead and just take a look at some of the features of this keyboard. Now, it does have 3 light brightness settings here. So right now the RGB is off. Go ahead and press the light button there. This is the first setting. Hopefully you all can see the brightness increase from here. So now this is the first level. Let's go ahead and press it again. Second level here. I don't know if it was noticeable, the difference here. So let's press it one more time. And there, I did see a slight difference there. It did get a little stronger, the blues over here, and then the red. So this keyboard does have 3 zones that you can go ahead and customize. And you would need the IQ software from Corsair. Now I do have that software on my rig. It does control the lights for my keyboard, mouse, as well as my memory and my CPU cooler. So let's go ahead and take a look at some other features of this keyboard while we're here. Now you do have the customizable macro keys on this side for whatever you want. And to do that, you would just go ahead and press the MR key right here to go ahead and assign that. We do have dedicated volume buttons right here. We have the no volume, volume down, and volume up. And we also have some playback buttons here, standard stop, backwards, pause play, and forwards. So going back to the RGB lighting here, like I said, this is a 3-zone lighting keyboard here. Now, it's also advertised as having 12 pre-configured lighting modes, and that's all controlled with the FN key, plus the number keys up to the minus and equal sign here. So let's go ahead and try that out. Press the FN key, pressing number 1, number 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 11, and 12. Let's go back to 1. Now, FN7, according to the manual here, is the one where you get to program yourself. It is a customizable one. So if you only want a couple zones, with the same color, you can go ahead and do that. And like I said, it is controlled by the iCUE software. Now, I currently don't have the iCUE software loaded on my laptop here. So unfortunately, I can't show you the different zones customizable. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the measurements of this keyboard here. Now this keyboard is around 18 inches in length, 6 inches in width, and 1¼ inch in height. Now the weight of this keyboard is a little less than 2 pounds. It's actually 1.8 pounds. Alright everybody, so that pretty much wraps up my unboxing and review here of the Corsair K55 RGB gaming keyboard. Now there are some things about this keyboard that I like, however, for me they are not necessary. First off, like I said earlier, I will not use these macro keys if I was using this keyboard, as well as the media keys over here. I've never taken the time to use that on any keyboard that I've owned. The ones that did have them, they're just kind of just left here to the side. Other than that, like I've repeated earlier, this is just a keyboard essentially with RGB lighting and the ability to control the different settings of the zones and color brightness here. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for my review here today. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video.